An edible garden is where you grow food to eat. You can grow vegetables, fruits, and herbs. It's like a supermarket in your backyard. Growing your own food is fun and good for you. You know what's in your food because you grew it yourself. Homegrown food tastes better. You can pick it right before you eat it. It's fresh and full of flavor. Plus, gardening is good exercise. You'll get fresh air and sunshine. First, you need to find a good spot for your garden. Choose a sunny spot. This is crucial because most plants, especially vegetables, thrive in sunlight. A sunny location ensures that your plants get the energy they need to grow strong and healthy. Observe your garden at different times of the day to see which areas get the most sunlight. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sun each day. Check your soil. The quality of your soil can make a big difference in how well your plants grow. Look for soil that is rich in organic matter and has good drainage. You can test your soil by feeling its texture and checking its moisture levels. Good soil is important for healthy plants. Healthy soil is teeming with life, including beneficial microbes and earthworms that help break down organic matter and release nutrients. If your soil is poor, consider adding compost or other organic amendments to improve its structure and fertility. You can buy bags of soil or improve the soil you have. Many garden centers offer a variety of soil mixes tailored for different types of plants. If you choose to buy soil, look for a high-quality mix that includes compost and other organic materials. Alternatively, you can improve your existing soil by adding compost, manure, or other organic matter. If you don't have much space, you can grow food in containers. Container gardening is a great option for those with limited space, such as apartment dwellers or those with small yards. You can grow a wide variety of vegetables, herbs, and even some fruits in containers. Pots, buckets, and raised beds all work well. These options allow you to create a garden almost anywhere, from a balcony to a rooftop. Just make sure to choose containers that are large enough for the plants you want to grow, and that have good drainage. Just make sure they have drainage holes, so the water doesn't sit and rot the roots. Proper drainage is essential to prevent waterlogged soil, which can lead to root rot and other problems. If your containers don't have drainage holes, you can easily add them with a drill or other tool. Start with easy-to-grow plants. Lettuce, spinach, and radishes are good choices. They grow quickly and don't need much care. Herbs like basil, mint, and chives are also easy to grow. Tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers are popular choices. They need a little more care but are very rewarding to grow. You can buy starter plants or grow from seeds. Section 4. Getting ready to plant. Once you've chosen your plants, it's time to prepare the garden bed. This is a crucial step to ensure your plants have the best start possible. Selecting the right plants for your garden's conditions, such as sunlight and soil type, is essential. Make sure to pick healthy plants with strong stems and vibrant leaves. Loosen the soil with a shovel or garden fork. This helps to aerate the soil, allowing roots to penetrate more easily and access nutrients. It's important to break up any large clumps of soil to create a fine, crumbly texture. Remove any rocks or weeds. These can hinder plant growth by competing for nutrients and water. Weeds, in particular, can quickly take over a garden bed if not properly managed. Add some compost to the soil. Compost enriches the soil with organic matter, improving its structure and fertility. It also helps retain moisture, which is vital for plant health. Compost is like food for your plants. It provides essential nutrients that promote strong root development and vigorous growth. Regularly adding compost can transform poor soil into a rich, productive growing medium. Dig holes for your plants. The size and depth of the holes are important to accommodate the root system. Properly sized holes ensure that roots have enough space to spread out and establish themselves. The holes should be as deep and twice as wide as the plant's root ball. This allows the roots to grow outward and downward, anchoring the plant securely in the soil. Gently remove the plant from its container and place it in the hole. Be careful not to damage the roots during this process. Handling the plant gently helps to minimize transplant shock. Fill the hole with soil and water it well. Watering helps to settle the soil around the roots and provides the moisture necessary for the plant to start growing in its new location. Regular watering is crucial, especially in the first few weeks after planting. Section 5. Caring for your plants. Water your plants regularly. It's important to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. Make sure to water deeply so that the roots can absorb the moisture they need. Stick your finger in the soil to check if it's dry. This is a simple and effective way to monitor soil moisture. If the top inch of soil feels dry, it's time to water your plants. If it is, give your plants a good drink. Water slowly and evenly to ensure that the water penetrates the soil and reaches the roots. Feed your plants with fertilizer. Fertilizing provides essential nutrients that might not be present in the soil. Use a balanced fertilizer and follow the instructions on the package for the best results. Fertilizer gives your plants extra nutrients to grow strong and healthy. Regular feeding can make a big difference in the growth and vitality of your plants. Keep an eye out for pests. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of insect damage or disease. Early detection can help prevent a small problem from becoming a big one. Pests are insects that like to eat your plants. They can cause significant damage if not controlled. Look for holes in leaves, discolored spots, or sticky residue. You can use natural methods like hand-picking pests or spraying them with water. These methods are safe for your plants and the environment. For more persistent pests, consider using organic insecticides. Ask your local garden center for advice. They can provide valuable tips and recommend products that are best suited for your specific plants and growing conditions. Don't hesitate to seek their expertise. Section 6. Harvesting your food. Harvest your vegetables when they are ripe. Ripe vegetables are usually big enough to eat and have a bright color. You can harvest most herbs anytime by snipping off a few stems. Don't be afraid to experiment. Gardening is all about trying new things. Have fun with it and enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Section 7. Enjoy your garden. Having an edible garden is rewarding. You get fresh, healthy food and enjoy time outdoors. Start small and don't be afraid to ask for help. Local garden centers are great resources for beginners. Happy gardening!